Hello and welcome to another video, and today I would like to show you how you can find your own Steam account's CSGO case opening stats. We're going to use Country Dev's Java app called CSGO Case Stat Viewer v2, which he has reworked not so long ago, and I've seen a lot of people asking on Twitter how they can run this themselves, and I know it's not the easiest of processes, so I figured I would make a little guide video to, well, guide you through it. So the first thing we'll need is the application itself, and that we can find from the usage section on Country Dev's GitHub page. And then we just need to click the download CSGO Case Stat Viewer v2 zip. After downloading and unzipping it into our desired folder, there is one more thing we need, and if you don't have that already, of course, and it's Java 11 or newer. I just went ahead and downloaded the installer, and then you just need to follow the standard instructions on how to install Java. And that's it. With Java installed now, we are able to execute the application, and from there we just need to follow the instructions on screen, and it will start pulling our information from the Steam account to see what cases we've opened and what drops we got. So to begin the process, the first thing we need to do is run this execute.bat script. Now, before the application can start pulling down your Steam inventory history, it first needs your cookie. Now, this is something that basically retains your session with the Steam servers. And to grab it, you need to go to your browser. While you're logged in, go to your profile page, then press F12. This will open the DevTools tab. From there, you need to go to Network. And now you just need to refresh your page using Ctrl-R or the button on the top left. After you've reloaded your page, you'll see that a bunch of things appeared here. That's basically requests that your browser is making to various places. And what we want is we want the first item, which will most likely have your username. Once you click on it, on the right hand side in the headers tab, you'll see a whole bunch of information. What you want to do is you want to scroll down until you find the cookie section, like so, and you'll want to copy this whole cookie down and paste it into your application. Once you pressed enter, it will start getting the data from your Steam inventory history. And, well, we'll see if it fails. If it fails, there is a few steps that you can take to troubleshoot it and sort of let it start from where it finished. Do keep in mind that this might take a while, so, I don't know, go grab a coffee or something. So, there we go. After a few minutes of waiting, it seems that our application has stopped being able to fetch more data from the Steam servers, and it asks us to start scanning after the last data it was able to get. So to do this, we need to fetch the manual cursor from the link that the application gives us. And if we go back to the GitHub page for the Case Stat Viewer application, we need to go to Get Cursor Manual and copy the JavaScript from this link. So you can see there's the JavaScript. We'll grab that, copy. Then once we're back here on this page that we opened from the application, we press F12 again. We go to the console and just paste the code that we copied from GitHub, hit enter, and we get a cursor. Now we copy the cursor back into the application after we restart it. So go ahead and launch execute.bat again in the command line. We want to choose option 1 again to dump the inventory history. We then need to paste the cookie once more. And we want to press either number 1 or number 3. Now, once the data has been dumped into a local file, we can now launch the Case Stat Viewer again, and this time we select the option to analyze unboxing history, which is number 2. So now the application processes all of the cases that we have opened, and it allows us to choose from one of a few options. So we're gonna go for 5 because we want to see what stats for case openings we've had. Press enter, and that gets us to the point of this guide, which is to find out what the distribution of our skin drops was. So you can see that I have opened 2,348 cases. Out of them, 1,833 were blues, which is a little bit lower percentage than what is the official guidelines. I think they were picked out from the Chinese CSGO post. And you can see as well, the more interesting thing is the golds. So I have dropped 13 out of my 2,348 cases, which is 0.55%. Officially, it's supposed to be 0.25, so we can see that actually I'm pretty lucky when it comes to gold drops. But that is everything for this video. Thank you very much to CountryDev for creating this application. It really makes it a lot easier than trying to fetch that all on your own. And I hope that you enjoyed this little guide. It's a bit of a different video than usual, but I guess I will see you in the next case opening video. Bye bye!